Understanding English in fast conversation. Can you understand every meaning of the each word? Can you understand full meaning of a sentence? Which type of conversation do you listen? Which type of conversation do you like to listen? Whatever, as you want to learn spoken English, listening process is very important. At first, you have to be a good listeners. Listening process is a good art. When we go to learn any language, that point comes in the first rank. It is listening. Without listening any language in this world, you will not learn. So, which type of method do you follow to learn spoken English? I say one thing. First step will be listening steps. Listening step. Listening method is a good art. When you will go to listen a podcast, news or conversation, there you have to try to listen what are they saying here, what meaning is wanted to speak here, what is the main subject in this conversation. So if you don't understand their meaning, if you don't understand what are they saying here, you would not anything in this conversation. So listening part is very very important. You have to be a good listeners. You have to listen with full consistency when you will go to listen a podcast or channel or conversation. When you will go to start your listening habit, you would not understand minimum meaning of minimum word. Again you have to try. You have to try to listen again and again. So after spending your few valuable time, your understanding ability will be increased. After listening few minutes, you will watch that 20 to 30% meaning of the word you are knowing there. So English speaking is not very hard. If you go to start your journey, first step there will be listening. When I would listen any conversation, every meaning of word goes over my head. I could not understand minimum meaning of the word. Then I did not leave my journey. I did not lose my interest. I would listen again and again, and my consistency was very deep. I thought that I have to learn spoken English at any cost. So at first you would not understand the whole meaning of a sentence, the whole meaning of a full conversation. Then you will not leave your journey. So listening part is very very important. When you go to listen any podcast, their sound will be entered your to ear. So your brain will be habituate with this language, and this sound will be registered in your brain. And after listening, your thinking power, your intention of speaking will be grown. Your mouth will be try to speak a broken sentence, broken word. So listening part is very very important. If you are a beginner, if you want to learn spoken English, so you can follow this tip, tips. Listening process. Listening process is very very important. You would watch random video on YouTube. You can listen random conversation or news on YouTube. So your interest will be increased gradually. So that's it. Today, this listening process method I wanted to share with you. That way, I followed to learn spoken English. My experience I'm sharing with you. If you want to learn spoken English, you can watch my all videos there. I have shared my all experience. I was zero level. I started from zero level. My knowledge was full empty. Then I have learned this language because I have spent my precious time. I watched hundreds of videos on YouTube. So you can follow me. If you want to learn spoken English, you should take this challenge in yourself. If you don't have any partner, if you don't have any environment, if you don't have any situation there, you can learn spoken English spending by some money. So I want without spending a single rupee. If you want to learn this language, you can follow me. My all experience will share with you. So that word I say every time, stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me. If you want to learn spoken English, stay with me. And which type of videos, which kind of experience do you want to me? I will share with you. So if this video is minimum valuable to you, do your valuable comment below the comment box, and like, subscribe, and comment. So today, that trick I have shared with you listening. If you want to learn spoken English, definitely continuously you will follow this to practice your journey. So listening power, listening habits is very very strong method to learn spoken English. So I will see you in the next video.